Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we can discuss the worksheet of the first chapter. Okay, so we can go to the worksheet. First question, choose the correct answer. Here, once it's given, after that th, it's a tth, that is 10th. Okay, it's maybe tth, 10th, then 100 for h and th. Then how to write this in decimal? So once it's 3. All these comes in the decimal part. Okay, so it's 3.21234. So it's the answer 3.24. Then the next one, filling the blanks. First one, 68.43. In 68.43, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? How many tenths are there? Tenth. Okay, 100th. Here, 6 tenths are there. And how many ones? 8 ones are there. And tenth after decimal point, it's 4. Then 300th. Okay, then this one you want to do yourself, that is 12.57. How many tens are there in 12? Then how many ones are there? After that decimal part, it is 10th and 100th here, which will come there. Okay, then the next one, write the following fractions as decimals. Here the mixed fraction is given. In a mixed fraction, it is the whole part. Okay, it's the whole part, and in this decimal, this 12 is the whole part and 68 is the whole part. Okay, here in this mixed fraction, 2 is the whole part. Then how we can write? 2 is in whole part. So 2 point, it's in the fraction by 10. Okay, 7 by 10 means how much it is? 7 by 10 is 0.7. So the answer is 2.7. Okay, the same way you can do the question number B. Then here it is 4 1 by 100. How we will do it? Here 4 is the whole part. So 4. Here it is fraction having denominator 100. So it's in the decimal part. So I am giving decimal point. Okay. Then 1 by 100. How we will write? We can write the numerator. We want to move for 2 digits. So 1. Only 1 is there. Then we can give one more 0 here. Then here. Okay. Then it's a 0, 1. This one you want to do yourself. Okay. Then the next one, write as a decimal number. You want to write this as decimal number. 28, 6 tenth, 0 hundredth and 5,000th. Okay, so 28, it's read as 28, 6 tenths, 0 hundredth and 5,000. Okay, then this 28 is the whole part. 6 tenth. Tenth is the decimal part. 100th is in the decimal part. 1000th is also in the decimal part. Okay, then 28.6 tenth. So 6 after 10th, 100th. Here 0 hundredth. Okay, then 5,000th. Okay, so the answer is 28.605. Is it clear? Fifth question. Here you want to subtract the first two and the third one you want to add. In the textbook, addition and subtraction of decimal is not there, but in the worksheet it is there. So this one we can do it on the board. Okay. These are the questions in the worksheet. Okay, we can solve one by one. So the first one 65.43 minus 21.98. Then for writing this in the vertical way, first we can write the positions. Here 2 digits are there in the whole part. So we want to write which are the positions we want to write. It's tens and ones. After that in the decimal part also 2 digits. So after giving a small space we can write tenth. Okay, TTH we can write and hundredth. Here, first one 65.43. 65.43. Here, this 6 is in the tenth, 5 is in ones, 4 is in tenth and 3 is in hundredth. Okay, then the sign is subtraction. The next one 21. 2 is in tens and here it's ones and decimal point correct below of the first decimal point. Okay, then the next next digits 9 and 8. 9 is in the tenth and 8 is in the hundredth. Okay, then we want to subtract 3 minus 8. It is not possible, so we can take 1 from here, so it's become 3 and this 3 will become 13. Okay, so from 8 to 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the answer? It's a 5. Okay, then after that 3 minus 9, it's not possible. Then what to do? We can take 1 from here. It's just like the normal subtraction, only the difference is there. Here 1 decimal point is there. Okay, then this 5 will become 4 and this 3 will become 13. Okay, now it's possible to subtract 13 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then what is the answer? It's 4. After that, what we will do? Here is the place of decimal point. So we will give 1 decimal point here. Okay, then 4 minus 1. How much it is? 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 6 minus 2. It's 4. So the answer is 43.45. Okay, the answer is 43.45. Now we can go to the second question. Okay, here also in whole part 2 digits are there and in the decimal part also 2 digits. Okay, first we can write the positions. It's tens, ones, after that tenth, then hundredth. Okay, then the first number 82.03. 82.03. Then 8 is in tens and 2 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tenth and 3 is in the hundredth place. Okay, after that we can write the next decimal. It's 35.17. 35.17. Okay, here we want to subtract, so we can give the subtraction sign also. Then after that 3 minus 7, it's not possible. So what we will do? We can take 1 from here, but here the digit is 0, so it's not possible. Then what we will do? We will take 1 from here. Okay, so this 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 9 and this 3 will become 13. Okay, actually it's become 1 and it will become 10. From this 10 we will give 1 for this 3, then it will become 9 and this will become 13. Okay, now it's possible to subtract 13 minus 7. After 7, count to 13. How much it is? It's 6, isn't it? And anybody have doubt? Then we can count. It's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then what is the answer? It's 6. Then 9 minus 1. How much it is? 9 minus 1 is 8. After that, what we will do? We will give the decimal point. Okay. Then 1 minus 5. It's not possible. So we can take 1 from here. It's become 7. And this 1 will become 11. Okay. Then 11 minus 5. What is the answer? 11 minus 5. Yes, it's 6. Okay. Then 7 minus 3. It's 4. Okay. So the answer is 46.86. Okay. The answer is 46.86. Now we can go to the third question. It's an addition question. Okay. 19.34 plus 50.19. So here we want to add. So we can go to the third question. For this, here also 2 digits are in the whole part. So we can keep the same positions here. Then we can write the numbers. Okay, decimals. Here the first decimal is 19.34. So 19.34. Then plus. It's addition, so plus sign. Then 50.19. 50.19. After writing this, you want to check the positions of the numbers are correct or not. Then we can start to add. 4 plus 9. How much it is? 4 plus 9 is 13. So in 13, 3 here and 1 in the up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Then the decimal point. Then 9 plus 0. It's 9. 1 plus 5. It's 6. The normal addition. Here only the difference is here the decimal point is there. You want to give the decimal point. Okay. So the answer is 69.53. Is it clear?